So this is just a short video on successive ionisation energies. So using sodium as the example again, the first ionisation energy is when we remove 1 mole of electrons to form 1 mole of sodium plus. And then the second ionisation energy is when we remove a second mole of electrons to form 1 mole of sodium 2 plus, and then the third ionisation energy is when we remove a third mole of electrons to form 1 mole of sodium 3 plus. And so overall the successive ionisation energies increase. So the reason for that is, if we write out the electronic configurations for sodium, sodium plus and sodium 2 plus, we see that for sodium the outermost electron is in a higher energy sublevel than in sodium plus or sodium 2 plus, and so that's more shielded from the nucleus and is easier to remove, whereas the outer electrons in sodium plus and sodium 2 plus, they have less shielding, and so they're more strongly attracted to the nucleus, and therefore more energy needed to remove those. So in going from sodium to sodium plus, the first ionisation energy, we get a big energy increase because the outer electrons, because we're jumping from one energy level to the next. And then in going from sodium plus to sodium 2 plus, there's still an increase in ionisation energy, but it's smaller than it was before because the electron being removed is still, it's in the same energy level. So by the time we get to the 10th ionisation energy then, when there's only 2 electrons left, those 2 electrons have no shielding, and so they feel the full attractive force of the nucleus, and so we have a big increase in ionisation energy there. So this is just a diagram to summarise the increase in ionisation energies for sodium. So sodium has 11 electrons in total, and there's 3 different energy levels and there's 1 outermost electron. So the large increases in energy indicate the move from one energy level to the next, and notice that the electrons that are closest to the nucleus are held on the most strongly, and so they have the highest ionisation energies.